Use these 4 steps to ensure he misses you deeply. Love is a mesmerizing journey, and at times, you might desire for your significant other to long for you a bit more. The feeling of missing someone can intensify the bond and make individuals cherish their moments together even more. In this video, we're diving into 4 simple steps that will make him yearn for you like he's never done before. Let's dive in. Number 1. Limit your time together. The dynamics between 2 individuals play a pivotal role in cementing their bond. While it's delightful to share countless moments together, occasionally letting each other feel the absence can amplify the affection. This segment delves into the idea of occasionally reducing the time you spend with your loved one, highlighting the benefits it can bring. Creating space. By occasionally stepping back, both of you get the opportunity to indulge in personal interests. This not only keeps the individual spirit alive, but ensures that every reunion is filled with fresh stories and experiences, making them all more memorable. Mystery and intrigue. There's an innate human tendency to be drawn towards the elusive. By not being constantly available, you pique his curiosity, making him wonder about your adventures. As the adage goes, absence makes the heart grow fonder. Appreciation and reflection. Limiting your time together allows for moments of introspection. It's during these times he'll realize the joy your presence brings. The next encounter becomes even more cherished as he's reminded of the unique place you hold in his life, fortifying your bond. Emotional reset. Periodic breaks from regular meetups can be rejuvenating. It breaks the monotony and rekindles the initial thrill of the relationship, strengthening your connection. While occasional distance can be beneficial, it's crucial to communicate with your partner about it. Open dialogues ensure that both parties are comfortable with the arrangement. Striking the right balance between personal space and emotional intimacy is essential. The philosophy of distance makes the heart grow fonder, leverages the emotions one feels in the other's absence. By giving each other room to breathe, you not only keep the relationship lively but also deepen your bond. Number 2. Maintain your individuality. While cherishing moments with your partner is essential, it's equally crucial to nurture your personal interests and passions. Engaging in individual activities not only enhances your personal growth, but also makes you more captivating to your partner. It's a delicate balance between adoring someone deeply and preserving your independence. Immersing yourself entirely in your partner can be stifling. It's vital to have a circle of friends, professional commitments, and hobbies that resonate with you. By leading a fulfilling personal life, you radiate happiness, which in turn enriches your relationship. Absence, as they say, makes the heart grow fonder. By allowing each other space, the moments you share become even more cherished. Leading an independent life not only signifies self-respect, but also fosters mutual respect in the relationship. Sharing tales of personal adventures keeps the relationship vibrant and brimming with affection. To truly make your partner yearn for your presence, strike a harmonious balance between togetherness and autonomy, ensuring mutual respect, open communication, and deepening love. Number 3. Leave endearing traces of your presence. Creating lasting memories, even in your absence, is a beautiful way to keep the flame alive. Here are some heartfelt gestures to ensure you're on his mind, even when you're apart. Scent. Memories are often tied to scents. Leaving a trace of your fragrance on an article of clothing, a pillow, or a personal item can evoke a longing for your presence, making the anticipation of your next meeting even more exciting. Handwritten notes. In an age dominated by digital communication, the charm of a handwritten note remains unparalleled. Pen down your feelings and let him discover them at unexpected moments. The effort and sentiment behind such gestures amplify the depth of your affection. Thoughtful gifts. A token of love, no matter how small, speaks volumes. It could be as simple as their favorite treat or a memento that holds shared memories. Every time they come across it, they'll be enveloped in the warmth of your love. Digital tokens. Technology, too, can be a bridge to heartwarming moments. A spontaneous text, a cherished photo, or a voice note can brighten their day, serving as a gentle reminder of the bond you share. Infusing your relationship with these little tokens ensures he's constantly reminded of the love and memories you share. Whether it's through tangible mementos, digital messages, or shared experiences, these gestures reinforce the depth of your connection, making him cherish your moments together even more. Number 4. Plan romantic date nights. Creating special moments and cherished experiences can amplify his longing for you. Thoughtfully curated date nights foster intimacy, craft delightful memories, and fortify your bond. This section delves into the art of orchestrating romantic evenings and their role in deepening his affection for you. Surprise and excitement. Infuse your dates with elements of surprise to keep the spark alive. The allure of the unexpected keeps him on his toes, eagerly anticipating your next rendezvous. Innovate with fresh date ideas, turning your love journey into a thrilling saga. Quality time and emotional connection. Date nights are sanctuaries of undisturbed connection. Engage in heartfelt conversations, share aspirations, and revel in each other's company. These moments not only create lasting memories, but also draw you closer. Romantic moments. Elevate your date nights with a touch of romance. Set the mood with ambient lighting, melodious tunes, and tasteful decor. Whether it's a candlelit dinner, a moonlit picnic, or a cozy movie marathon, these enchanting settings will make him yearn for your closeness. Try new things. Repetition can dull the excitement. Keep the romance fresh by exploring new activities. Sample unfamiliar cuisines, embark on shared hobbies, or discover new locales. This dynamic approach ensures your love story remains vibrant. Special gestures. Tailor your date nights to resonate with his preferences. Secure tickets to his cherished band's concert or venture to a place he's always wished to explore. Demonstrating that you value his interests deepens the bond and makes your shared moments even more memorable. Crafting memorable date nights not only makes him long for your presence, but also nurtures the love you share. The blend of surprise, quality time, novelty, intimacy, and personalized gestures ensures he cherishes every moment with you. These treasured occasions fortify your bond, making him eagerly await the next romantic escapade. Remember, the essence lies in enriching the love narrative, not in manipulating emotions. Relish the journey of making him long for you, while fostering a genuine, affectionate bond. Thank you for tuning in. If this video resonated with you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more engaging content, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's continue this journey of love and connection.